Hello, welcome to your channel Psychology Simplified. Please subscribe, share, like, and press the bell icon. Stress is generally associated with negative and uncomfortable emotions. Stress is caused by many factors. Today, we are going to talk about psychological conflict or personal conflict. So, today's topic is conflicts causes stress. Stress refers to a perceived threat we think may strain or exceed our resources. In many situations, stress results from the necessity of choosing between two needs or goals. The necessity of making choice commonly involves cognitive strain. It is often difficult to make up one's mind. This especially occurs when each alternative offers values that other does not, and the choice is an important one. Further ahead, we will define conflicts and its major types. Personal or psychological conflict refers to a situation in which a person is motivated to engage in two or more mutually exclusive or incompatible activities. There are four types of conflicts: approach conflicts, approach avoidance conflicts, avoidance conflicts, double approach avoidance conflicts. Now we'll see one by one. The first one is approach conflicts. To choose between two or more desirable goals. For instance, when a person has to choose between two good career opportunities, he or she experiences this type of conflicts. Now second one is approach avoidance conflicts. This conflict involves strong tendencies both to approach and to avoid the same goal. For instance, a woman may want to marry for sexual, social, and security reasons, but may also be afraid of responsibilities and loss of freedom. Next, third one is avoidance conflicts. Conflict arises in choosing between two undesirable goals. For instance, a person has either to finish a job he or she dislikes or quit and get labeled as a failure. Fourth and last one is double approach avoidance conflicts. To choose between two alternatives, each of which possesses both positive and negative attributes. For instance, one have to choose between two career options in which the one pays better but the person has to be moved away from the family, and another one in which the pay is very less but he or she can live with the family. Whatever be the type of conflict, they represent a major source of stress. Please share, subscribe, like, comment, and press the bell icon.